Hi, I'm Bonnie and I wanted to share an honest review of the Bonavita electric gooseneck kettle. It can hold 1 liter of water. It's 1,000 watts. You can see that it is stainless steel and there's great temperature control from 140 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. You can see where you can change the temperature here. You can change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and then you just hit the button to set to the temperature that you want it to be. It's a quick and fast boil, and there is an automatic shut off after 16 minutes. They're super easy pour control, as you can see. It doesn't take a lot of effort for me to do this, and it is BPA free plastic.